In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive your Weebly site. Archiving a website can be incredibly useful, whether you're looking to save it for future reference or just want to keep a copy on hand for your records. So, let's dive in and take a look at how you can accomplish this task step by step. First, you'll want to open your Weebly website editor. This is your main control hub for making changes to your site, so it's a good idea to get comfortable navigating it. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the top bar, and you'll see an option labeled Settings. Give that a click to move forward with the process. Think of this as setting the stage for accessing the tools you need to manage your site. With the Settings page open, look over to the left side, where you'll find a menu. You want to click on the option that says General. This is where all the fundamental management options for your site are housed, so it's a crucial stop on our path to archiving. Once you're there, you'll see various sections dedicated to different aspects of site management. Focus your attention on the section uniquely labeled Archive. Now, before you get too far, there's an important requirement to bear in mind. The option to archive your site is only available if your site has already been published. If your site isn't live on the internet yet, you'll need to publish it first before the archiving function is accessible. This is a good reminder of how the archiving feature is tailored for sites that are up and running rather than those still in development. And just like that, you've done it. That's all there is to archiving your Weebly site. While it might have seemed like a daunting task at first, you can see how straightforward it really is. You've progressed from opening your website editor to navigating through settings and finally reaching the archive option. Remember, archiving is a practical way to preserve your hard work. It can offer peace of mind knowing that a copy of your site is saved and can be referenced whenever you need it. Keep in mind the critical point of having your site published, and you're all set to archive whenever necessary. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these steps, you can confidently manage the contents of your Weebly site and safeguard your digital creations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.